I am thrilled to share my experience from the session at the eknath Sitaram Devekar College, Warwand, down in Pune. It was an inspiring day as I conducted a session on the topic discovering and strengthening the self. Tellers, especially for the postgraduate student. The session focused on four critical aspects of self discovery and personal growth. First factor is self awareness. Understanding who you truly are, recognizing your strength, weaknesses, emotions, and value. Second factor, self image. How you see yourself, your perception, and how it influences your decision and behavior. Third aspect of the self, that is self esteem. The respect and value you give yourself, which directly affects your confidence. And the last factor, self efficacy, your belief in self ability to achieve your goals and overcome challenges. What made the session unique were interactive activities we designed for the students. We begin with the reflective exercise that allow the students to dive deep into their self-awareness. Through guided discussions and role-playing, they explore the impact of self-image on their daily lives. Activity lies, the mass activity, the confidence ladder help enhance their self-esteem. To address the self-efficacy, students participate in a goal-setting exercise and visualization, envisaging their potential to achieve success. The students were incredibly participative, curious, and enthusiastic. I would like to share some key takeaways from the session, including realizing the importance of being authentic and true to oneself, learning how to replace negative self talk with positive affirmation, understanding that self growth is a journey that requires consistent effort and belief in one's capability. Such type of the training sessions, it is a really grateful journey for me, at the same time grateful journey to this postgraduate student. I'm so grateful for the opportunity to work with these talented students and to witness their willingness to embrace change and self improvement. A big thank for all the faculty and administration for organizing such type of the wonderful sessions, and to the students for their energetic participation. I, Dr. Professor Pravin V Buge, always believe and would like to share the very important quote. And the quote is, remember, discovering and strengthening your inner self is the foundation for success in all areas of life. Let's continue this journey together. This is the sessions where we try to understand the competency, the various achievement for the so-called leaders in the world and Indian national levels arena also. We interact with the students. There are the different activity where we could discover the self. What are the method to understand the self? This is very participative session with the students. How to identify the me in you. This is interaction with you only. But how to interaction with the self, and this is the beauty of these sessions. And beauty of the sessions, the participations and engagement of the students, I believe as session increases, it increases in large extent due to the activity are imbibed in it. It's not only the theoretical, like the mask activity, like the write a letter of compensation to you. This masking activity, you try to project yourself in different way, but actually you are something differently. Your projection and your inner reality, to from inner to your projection of you, is really something challenging to you. And such type of the activity like give the energy to both of us, to me and my students. I believe in a such a way. When two personalities are meeting, it is like the two chemical substances they are meeting. When they react, this is a transformation for all of us. Thank you very much.